Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to draft a pattern for a top with a cowl collar. So for this pattern you're going to need a bodice block, so I'll link my tutorial for one down below. So to start you're going to need to trace around the front and the back bodice blocks, but while you're doing that you're going to move the bust dart into an underarm dart. So again I'll link my tutorial for this as well. So from the top of the neckline, you're going to measure along the shoulder line by 3 centimeters and mark this as a point. So at the bottom of the neckline, you're going to measure 3.5 centimeters along the center front line and mark this with a point. So now go ahead and mark these points as 1 and 2. So on the back, you're going to measure 3 centimeters from the top of the neckline along the shoulder line and mark this with a point. So at the bottom of the neckline, you're going to measure 1.5 centimeters along the center back line and mark this as a point. So now you can go ahead and mark these points as 3 and 4. So using a curved ruler, you're going to join points 3 and 4 together and then points 1 and 2, and this is going to create your new necklines, but don't forget to mark out all your old necklines. So on a blank sheet you're going to draw a straight line up and across your page and then mark in 5 on the line intersection. So from 5 you're going to measure down 3 centimeters and mark this point as 6. Okay, so now you're going to go back to the front bodice and you're going to measure the length of the new neckline. So now going back to the new sheet, at that point 6 you're going to use that measurement minus 1 centimeter to get 0.7 on the line that you drew out from 5, and then you're going to draw a straight line up from 7. So using a ruler, you're going to draw a straight line 2 centimeters below the line drawn out from 5. So now you go and measure the length of the back neckline. Then going back to your new sheet, from 7, you're going to use that measurement minus 0.6 centimeters to get 0.8 on the new line that you just drew in, and then draw a straight line up from 8. So using a ruler, you're going to join points 8 and 7 and then 7 and 6. Okay, so now you're going to measure 1/3 of the way from 7 to 6 and mark this point as 9. Then measure 1/3 of the way from 7 to 8 and mark this point as 10. So using a curved ruler, you're going to curve the line 6 to 9 by 0.5 centimeters. And then again, using a curved ruler, you're going to curve the line from 8 to 10 by 0.5 centimeters. So from 5, you're going to measure your chosen depth for your collar. So I went with 20 centimeters, but this again all depends on your design. And then you're going to mark this point as 11. So now draw a straight line out from 11 and mark in 12 on the line that's drawn up from 8. So now you need to repeat this pattern at the top. So to do this, you're going to simply fold over your pattern at the line drawn from 11 to 12, and then using a tracing wheel, you're going to trace around the whole pattern. So once the pattern's traced, just unfold the sheet and draw in the pattern. So now you can go ahead in and mark all your information and add your seam allowances, and that is the pattern finished. So it's quite simple and it's very effective. So I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button as it really supports my channel, and don't forget to subscribe for weekly videos. So if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments box below and I'll do my best to answer them. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!